Can you believe a drone under 250 grams can shoot 4K video? That's crazy. What is the DJI Mini 4K, you ask? It's a drone designed for adult enthusiasts, beginners, and anyone who wants to capture stunning footage without breaking the bank. It solves the problem of bulky and heavy drones that are hard to carry around. This little guy has some impressive specs. Let me break it down for you. It's got a 4K UHD camera, which means your videos will be super sharp and clear, with a high level of detail that's perfect for capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or even just your backyard. The 3-axis gimbal keeps the camera stable, so your footage won't be shaky, even when you're flying in windy conditions or making sharp turns. It's also got a 10 km video transmission range, so you can fly it really far away and still see what you're doing, which is great for exploring large areas or capturing footage of distant objects. The 31-minute flight time is also really impressive. You can fly it for a long time without needing to recharge, which is perfect for extended filming sessions or just having fun flying around. And the best part, it weighs only 249 g, making it super portable. You can take it with you wherever you go, whether that's on a hike, to the beach, or just to the park. It can also handle winds up to 38 km per hour, which is really strong, so you don't have to worry about it getting blown away in the wind. Imagine flying this thing over a beach on a sunny day, or using it to capture a stunning sunset over a mountain range. You could use it to film your kids playing in the park, or to get a unique perspective on your daily commute. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that it's so easy to use, even if you've never flown a drone before. You could use it to capture footage of your favorite sports, like skiing or surfing, or to get a bird's-eye view of your favorite hiking trails. You could even use it to inspect your roof or gutters, or to monitor your property from above. In real-world use, the DJI Mini 4K is a dream to fly. It's so responsive and easy to control, even in tight spaces. The camera is also really good at handling different lighting conditions, so you can fly it in bright sunlight or in overcast skies and still get great footage. And with the long flight time, you can just keep flying and flying, without having to worry about running out of battery. The DJI Mini 4K is also a great choice for content creators, who need high-quality footage without the bulk and weight of a larger drone. It's perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers, who want to capture stunning footage on the go. Overall, I'm really impressed with the DJI Mini 4K. The best thing about it is the combination of its portability and image quality. The only downside is that it can be a bit pricey for some people. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a high-quality drone that's easy to use and carry around. If you want to get your hands on the DJI Mini 4K, I've got a link to it in the description below. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. The DJI Mini 4K is definitely worth checking out, so be sure to take a look.